Hi everybody! Welcome back to my channel. Rose Pinay here from Rose Vlogs TV, and for today's video, dahil wala po ako ng ilang, 1 month I think, dahil marami akong mga iniisip, you know what I mean? And this is my first vlog na nakita nyo ang aking short hair because I cut my hair just because I wanted to have like a new start, and I wanted to tell you more about it in this video while doing my makeup, because today we're going to do a makeup tutorial. So if you haven't followed me on my Instagram, I do have few videos on my IG stories and IGTV and my makeup account that I uploaded last week, I think. So meron akong in-upload doon. So I didn't upload it in YouTube, but I hope you could also watch that on my Instagram. So you can follow Pinay Glam by Rose for that video, and I also have an IGTV video on my main account at Rose Banzon. So first, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell below so you get updated on my latest upload. So without further ado, let's get into this video. I'm going to moisturize my face. Wait, wala akong salamin. Yan, I'm going to moisturize my face. I do have my favorite moisturizer and, you know, skincare today. So, this is my bag. Nadala-dala ko everyday naman. So, ito yung lagi kong dala-dala pag pupunta ako sa probinsya, you know, pag pupunta akong Bulacan, dahil taga-Bulacan po ako. So, I do have this that I got from a event from Diana Stadler. So, ito yung isa sa mga products na create nila, which is the Time Repair. Meron akong dalawang products na meron sila. Time Repair na exfoliant, tsaka Time Repair na revitalizer. So, ito siya. Yung exfoliant yung una natin ilalagay. Konti lang yung nilalagay ko kasi sabi dun sa products, konti lang din. So, pinapad ko lang siya sa mukha ko. Alam nyo, lately, ang dami kong hanash life. Maraming nangyari, maraming event. I do have event from Lazada. Kung nakita niyo sa aking IG. Sa aking IG, may event po ako ng Lazada last month. Sobrang saya nun. Kasi, ang saya lang. Ang saya lang nung ng event ko na yon. Sobrang fulfilling na nakapag trabaho ako with Lazada, diba? So, thank you sa TRY na PR for getting me as part of Lazada family. Yes! Revitalizer. Ayan. So, lagay rin natin siya sa whole face natin. Konti lang yung nilalagay ko. Minsan nagto 2 pumps lang ako. Para sa ating face. You know. Lagay ko lang siya sa noo tsaka dito sa mga redness ko. As you can see, I do have redness over here. So, last month nga, meron akong mga event, Diana Stadler, tsaka Lazada. If you haven't seen my post, pwede nyo pa rin siya makita sa aking IG, sa Rose Banzon na IG ko. At nag-resign po ako sa aking job in BGC because I wanted to pursue tourism. Kasi I'm a tourism graduate, so gusto ko makapagtrabaho ako sa tourism industry, of course. So, ngayon, nag-a-apply ako sa mga hotels dahil, you know, kailangan ko ng bagong trabaho dahil wala tayong budget. Dahil may bago akong cellphone na kinuha, mga moms. Pangarap ko kasi magkaroon ng bagong cellphone. Yun talaga yung pinagtrabahuhan ko, pero hindi ko siya kasi makuha kasi nga, dahil contractual lang yung contract ko. I am a social media executive before. So, ngayon nag-apply ako for front office dahil kailangan natin ng bagong trabaho. For my brows, I usually use this Dream Street na palette ni Kathleenlights and Colourpop. So, meron siyang shade na brown. This one. So, I use this one to fix my brows. Since I don't have any brow products na, dahil hindi na ako masyado nagba-brows pag lalabas ako kasi meron naman akong brows. Kaya lang kasi syempre, kailangan pakak na pakak yung brows mo pag lalabas ka, di ba moms? Another one is yung pag-set natin ng face. I'm using this Nichido na final powder on the shade Ivory Glow. Ayan. So, lately, sobrang, tawag dito, maulan sa Manila. I'm here at Manila right now. Since it's Pride Month, dahil Pride Month ngayon, paglalaruan natin ang ating eyeshadow. Wow, paglalaruan. And from Kathleenlights, I usually use this kasi wala naman akong palette na ginagamit lately. So, set lang natin yung buong crease natin using, hindi ko na alam, shooting star. Kung anong... So, yan, naset na natin siya. I'm going to use this shade. Tapos, i-focus lang natin siya dun sa buong lid. I'm going to use this spark. Tapos, focus natin siya dito. Medyo colorful tayo. So, the next color that we're going to use is itong Water Beer. Yun pa rin yung ano natin. Sobrang soft nung... Grabe, oh my gosh, sana tama itong ginagawa ko. The eyeliner. Sana ma-perfect ko to. Kasi, you know, we need some liner. Oh! Sana magawa ko to ng tama. Ah! Natatakot ako. So, the next one is magko-contour tayo ng face. So, I use this as well kasi wala akong pang-contour sa ngayon. Lalagyan natin ng white na shimmer na to. Super pigmented nito. Lagyan natin sa gitna lang. Amazonia na super ink. As in, matte ink. Superstay matte ink. And lalagyan natin siya ng konting shimmer. Ito gagamitin ko. The highlight. Yay! Ooh, girl, you know the highlight is. For the finish touch, I'm going to use this aloe vera face mist sa ating face. She's so wet, girl. Oh. Init. Ang init, ah. Ang init, ah. Oh. Grabe, ang init, ah. Charing.
We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go.
Hey guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you loved it. This is the final look that I did today. It's raining outside. There's an airplane going on in the sky, you know. But I really hope you loved it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell below so you get updated on my latest uploads. And also, please follow me on my Instagram account at Banzon and my makeup account, Pinay Glam by Rose. I also have a blog which is www.rosebanzon.com. And please follow my Facebook page, Rose Banzon. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys on the next vlog, video, or anything. Buyers! Bye! Kita nyo yan. Bye. So, teka lang, dinidighay kasi ako. Sorry. Bye!